Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the login failed error in DeltaForce. The main culprit for this particular error is most likely a corrupted or a missing game file that can prevent you from connecting to the login servers of DeltaForce. So here's how to quickly fix that issue. All you have to do is simply open your launcher, whether you are using Steam or any other dedicated launcher. Simply go into that particular launcher. For example, on Steam, go to your library, then simply find DeltaForce. Right-click on it, click on Properties, then click on Installed Files. And after that, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Choose this option, and it will start scanning all the files in DeltaForce. And if there are any issues with any of the files, it will fix that issue for you. If there are corrupted or missing files, it will also re-download them. So that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.